3 easy steps to create profitable social campaigns and drive free traffic to any offer effortlessly. Welcome, T3ch Express here. I happy to see you on my channel and share it or like it. Let's start. Revolutionary app delivers profit-ready social campaigns for massive traffic, leads and sales from Facebook, Twitter and Instagram within minutes. Our smart AI-powered technology makes selling on social media as easy as an afternoon walk in the park. Even if you are the most antisocial person in the world, no technical skills required. One-click sell on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, hands-free, complete set and forget marketing system. Build unlimited list with ease. Import products from Shopify, Best Buy, Woo, eBay, Wish in one click. New cloud-based NASA-level technology. Add your own products or sell as an affiliate. Send unlimited broadcast for massive engagement. One-click payment integration with PayPal, Stripe and Paystack. 100% smart AI. Sales manager does the selling for you. Newbie friendly, no technical skills required. 3 easy steps to create profitable social campaigns and drive free traffic to any offer effortlessly. Step 1. Log in and connect your FB, Instagram and Twitter accounts. You'll only have to do this once. Then choose the type of campaign you want to run: image post, carousel post, video post, interest group, FB chatbot or messenger campaign. Step 2. Customize the post and what pages, networks to publish to. Add specific links, modify the calls to action, and choose from the included library of over 10 million viral images or upload your own. You'll be able to preview everything before publishing, then choose to publish now or schedule for any date in the future. Step 3. Watch the magic happen. Your viral post or message will be sent to the networks or channels of your choice, instantly or at the time you specify. Sit back and watch the traffic, clicks, leads and profits flood in. Just some of your campaign results. Social media is the new word-of-mouth advertising. People used to ask their friends about a company before they purchased goods or services. Many businesses relied on good old-fashioned word-of-mouth advertising as their main source of leads. Word-of-mouth advertising today has grown far beyond its original meaning. Now it includes online reviews, referrals and social media comments that can influence potential customers anywhere in the world with online access.